Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Yunez Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be using this stunning kit by AlyssasCraftShop called Summer. It is in silver foil, and it is so insanely gorgeous. I love the green tones, the monstera leaves, all the tropical vibes. I did pick up 2 deco sheets, of course, and I also pull in a deco sheet from the Sweet Planner as well because never enough. In this day and age, you just can never get enough deco. But anyways, without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base of the spread, and then get back to you with the day today. Okay, so starting off on Monday, I am marking that I had my Zoom class on this day. So I pull in that lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio. That is one of my absolute favorite box style layering items, like fancy boxes. I'm constantly repurchasing sheets of them just because, I don't know, the quality of Bloom Paper Studio's lace anything is just fantastic, and I absolutely love this lace circle. But anyways, to mark that, I pull in some of the florals from the kit. All of the mini deco that I pull in is from Honey Inked, so I don't want to like repeat myself and sound redundant. And then the little yoga mat is from White Deer Stationery. And then of course the custom Zoom class script is one that my mom made for me. Jumping down, I wanted to mark a business meeting that me and my dad had. So to mark that, I pull in a 3rd box from the kit. The pen bunch is from Crafts by Towie. I do layer some florals from the deco sheet, and I use a trick that I have seen Lauren and Rachel use all the time, where I pull in like a mini divider to kind of hide the cut line from where those florals are. I fill in some of that white space with that flourish from Sadie Stickers. I love this flourish so much. I use it throughout the entire spread, and it's like dainty and squiggly, and it makes me happy. Then I wanted to mark that I went to the gym, and I mark going to the gym the exact same way throughout this entire spread. I pull in some florals from the kit. The scallop confetti circle is from Meg B Makes, and that adorable running shoe is from Miniriotco. I think that was from a $2 Tuesday. She sent it to me, and if she brings it back in her shop, I would buy like 10 sheets of them. I love it so much. Anyways, then I wanted to mark that I went to my sister's house. Me and my dad did. She made a steak. It was delicious. So to mark going to my sister's house, I pull in a midi box from Sadie Stickers, some florals from the kit, another dot dangle deco divider thing. Ooh, say that 5 times fast from Sadie Stickers. And the little house is from Crafts by Towie. Then to cap off the night, me and my husband watched the movie Lawless with Shia LaBeouf and Tom Hardy, and oh my gosh, it's on Netflix, and if you guys want to see some impeccable acting from Shia LaBeouf and Tom Hardy, oh my gosh, it's so good. But anyways, to mark that TV console is from Crafts by Towie, and I just layered that over some florals from the kit. Okay, jumping over to Tuesday, I wanted to mark that I had a phone conversation with the director for the film that I will be doing makeup on come September. So to mark that, I pull in one of those mini lace boxes. That's the smaller version. There's two different versions. And the 1.0 is the smaller version, I think. No, I think this is 2.0. I have to look. Anyways, be careful when you order them because one size is bigger than the other. This is the mini size and it's perfect. But anyways, I pull in another phone from White Deer Stationery and I layer some deco from the kit. I also wanted to mark that I started buying some makeup for my on-set makeup kit on this day. So to mark that, I pull in another third box, some florals from the kit, and then the makeup icon is from Crafts by Towie. I pull in another flourish from Sadie's Stickers to fill in some of that white space. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that I hung out at my mom and dad's house, so I pull in another lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio. I mark it pretty much the exact same way as I marked my Zoom class on Monday with the florals from the kit and all the deco from Honey Inked. The little house is from the Glitter Mama. And then to cap off the night, I went to the gym. So I pull in another confetti scallop circle from Meg B Makes, and the running shoe is from Miniriotco. Oh, and then I just pulled in some deco. I layered a tropical floral bunch from Sadie Stickers with some of the florals from the kit, and I really liked the way that looked. Okay, jumping over to Wednesday, I wanted to mark that we slept in on this day. So I pull in a midi box from Sadie Stickers. The pajamas icon is from Crafts by Towie. The next thing I wanted to mark is that my sister kind of had like a joint birthday party style thing at her house. We have so many July birthdays. My sister-in-law has a birthday, my nephew has a birthday, my niece has a birthday, and then my husband has a birthday. So my sister decided, let's just do a joint party and we can all gather at my house. It was a lot of fun. So to mark that, I pull in another lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio, some streamers from Letters to Apollo, some florals from the kit. The balloon bunch is from White Deer Stationery. And the custom happy birthday script is one that my mom made for me. I pull in yet another flourish from Sadie Stickers to fill in some of that white space. I told you guys I'm obsessed with this flourish and I'm pretty sure I almost used up a whole entire sheet. I need to look and see if these flourishes are permanent in her shop because I love them so much. Okay, next thing I'm marking is that I went to the gym with my husband and his bandmates. We love going like a couple times a week as a group to the gym. Sometimes it's like a little overwhelming whenever you get like a whole group of people who are, you know, working out together on like one machine. But we go like a couple times a week and we go later in the day to where the gym is kind of empty, so it doesn't really matter too much. But it's a lot of fun. It's one of my favorite parts of the week. I just marked going to the gym the same way as I marked it the days before. I wanted to mark that I made homemade Crunchwrap Supremes on this night. I feel like making them at home, I do it a little bit more quote unquote healthier than if you were to go to Taco Bell. It's probably not. I'm probably kidding myself, but it's one of my favorite things to make is a homemade Crunchwrap Supreme. I marked that with a label from the kit and some taco. That taco icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then to cap off the night, me and my husband watched the show Ghost Adventures on Amazon Prime. So I pull in another TV console from Crafts by Towie. I'm running severely low on those and I need to pick more up. But I layered that over some florals from the kit. Okay, jumping over to Thursday, I wanted to mark my Zoom class. I used a mini lace box from Bloom Paper Studio, some mini deco from Honey Inked, some florals from the kit, and the yoga mat is from White Deer Stationery. I pull in another flourish from Sadie Stickers. Then I wanted to mark that I made an Amazon supply list. Okay, so I had to completely build a set makeup bag so I could, you know, have a makeup kit on the set of this film that I'm going to be working, because I've done makeup on people and whatnot, but I've always like worked out of my home, out of like the drawers that I have set up specifically for my makeup and everything. I didn't have like a traveling case and everything. So I had to make this Amazon list. I had to do research on like what bag would work best on set. And it was like a whole process. But anyways, I really like the way that I marked that. I pull in a third box from the kit. I use a banana leaf deco piece from the kit, and I pull in a little clipboard from White Deer Stationery. And I know about those clipboards specifically because of Lauren of Playmosh Plan. She uses them to mark her meetings and they're super adorable, so love them. I wanted to mark that me and my husband had dinner with an old friend of his, and it was a lot of fun. It was really good to see him. So I marked that with a third box from the kit, some florals. The cutlery is from Crafts by Towie. Then to cap off the night, me and my husband went to the gym. So again, mark that same way, nothing different. Okay, jumping over to Friday, I wanted to mark that I started off the day with like a really long like self-care shower because on this night my husband and his band were playing a show. So I don't know, I like getting bougie whenever he has a show. To mark that, I pull in a third box from the kit, some florals from the deco sheet, the dotted dangled deco, and then the little shower icon is from Crafts by Towie. I also wanted to mark that my husband's lead guitar player was having some sinus issues, so I had to run and get him some like sinus medication. He's severely allergic to cats, and my husband had a sinus infection like the week before that, and I guess he had a sinus infection at this point. It was like something that had been going around, and plus he has allergies. Anyways, I brought him medicine, so to mark that, I pull in a confetti scallop circle from Meg B Makes, and the little medicine bottle is from White Deer Stationery. I'm marking my husband's show using one of those lace circles from Bloom Paper Studio. The microphone is from Planning World. And the custom STW script is one that my mom made. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I made some chicken for me and my husband, so I pull in a label from the kit, and the little meal prep board is from Crafts by Towie. Then to fill in the white space, I use a piece of deco from the Sweet Planner deco sheet. I was so happy that this one like tropical deco sheet matched so perfectly with this kit. I mean, like I said in the beginning, I had 2 deco sheets and it probably would have been enough for this spread, but it's never enough, especially since this whole trend of decorating the date covers, I couldn't think of the word, has become such a thing. So anyways, I've completely talked over Saturday, but I wanted to mark that I tidied the kitchen. I pulled in that adorable pots and pans icon from White Deer Stationery. I layered that with a Bloom Paper Studio lace box. I filmed a plan with me. The film camera icon is from Crafts by Towie. I layered that over a third box and some florals from the kit. Pull in another one of my favorite flourishes from Sadie Stickers. I marked going to the gym the same way throughout the whole week. And then to cap off the night, me and my husband watched Ghost Adventures. That's like my husband's favorite show to watch. It's a lot of fun. He and I like enjoy. We own so many of the seasons now. It's insane. Okay, so jumping over to Sunday, I am marking church utilizing a lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio. I layered that over some floral deco from the kit. The little church is from White Deer Stationery, and the church script is from Planner Kate. I wanted to mark that we went over to his grandparents' house on this day. I think I've said this before, but we're trying to go over and spend Sundays with his grandparents. So to mark that, I pull in another third box. The little house is from Crafts by Towie, and then I add a piece of dangle deck. I told you guys, I use like an entire sheet of that dangle deco. Then I wanted to mark that I cleaned my house when we got home, so I pull in a swatch circle from Miss and Meow, layered some florals from the kit, and the little soap bucket is from White Deer Stationery. Pull in another flourish to fill in that white space, and then, of course, to cap off the night, me and my husband watch Ghost Adventures, so I layer that little popcorn chair over some florals from the Sweet Planner. Now I'm just going back in and laying down some sea deco from Honey Inked. These are the leftovers that I have from this kit. I thoroughly enjoyed planning with this. It was my very first time utilizing a kit from AlyssasCraftShop, and I am obsessed with how this turned out. I can't wait to use more of her kits. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this spread. I did a Viv Wiggle for you guys so you can see all that gorgeous foil. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying well. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.